This is the Oppo Reno, and it's a smartphone that thinks it's a shark. That is a shark fin pop-up camera, and it's very cool, but not as cool as the rest of the tech that's inside this pretty amazing new smartphone. This is the Oppo Reno. It's mean, it's green, and it's got a ton of really cool stuff inside. Not least that this is going to be one of the first 5G smartphones you can buy when 5G launches in the UK. This is Oppo's latest assault on the UK market following its launch earlier this year. This is arguably the highest spec smartphone it's delivered so far, and we're going to have a closer look at what makes the Reno special. The first thing you're going to notice is that it's got 3 camera lenses on the back. If you've been following camera developments in smartphones recently, you'll know that having a really good zoom feature is a big trend. And this is no exception. It uses a periscope zoom, just like the Huawei P30 Pro. And again, just like that phone, there's a 10 times hybrid zoom. And it's really effective. We'll have a closer look at that right now. So here we are looking through the 3 camera lenses on the back of the Oppo Reno. The main one has got 48 megapixels, so it's a familiar lens to anyone who's been looking at phones from Honor and from Xiaomi and other manufacturers like that. It's a 48 megapixel lens for the main. There's a 13 megapixel telephoto lens and an 8 megapixel wide angle lens. And you can get up to 10 times zoom, so we're looking at regular zoom there. We zoom into times 2. This is a really nice feature. It gives you various stages of zoom, so you don't just go directly to 10. You've then got 6 times zoom, and finally 10 times zoom. And as you'll see there, you go out to wide angle 2 finally, and go back to main view. And this is a really slick presentation there. It zooms in nicely, it's not cutting away or anything like that. It's really smooth. You can also use this as a slider too and go all the way up to a 20 times digital zoom. But to get good quality, you're going to need to do a 2 times or a 10 times zoom for that. But it's a very nice process. There's also a night mode on here. There's various filters. You have Oppo's dazzle color mode, which brings out the brightness and contrast more. There's a wide variety of different features, all hidden underneath these menus. This is what Oppo calls its shark fin camera, and it motorizes out of the top of the device like that. Certainly a really striking design, pretty different to the other pop-up cameras we've seen. At the back there, it gives the camera the flash, but at the front, that's where your selfie cam is. It needs that pop-up camera because the screen is giant, has no notch and very little bezels all around the edge. So if it's that pop-up camera that makes this mean green smartphone stand out in design, what else does it do? Well, for a start, you're looking at one of the world's first 5G smartphones. This is going to be coming to the EE network in the UK as one of its launch 5G devices in the near future. And that makes it as up-to-date as you can get. So if you're excited about the Oppo Reno, and there's no reason why you wouldn't be careful when you look to buy one, because Oppo's made it a little bit confusing. There's going to be 3 models in total. The first version is the standard Oppo Reno, which costs £450 and will be released on June the 5th. However, if you liked what you saw with the zoom feature in the video, you're going to have to wait until the 10th of June for that, and you're going to have to pay £700. So it's considerably more expensive than the version without the 3 camera lenses and that hybrid zoom. Then again, there's going to be a further 5G version, which is going to be launched on the EE network in the UK, and that price is also undetermined at the moment. So we don't know how much the phone is going to cost. We also don't even know when EE's 5G network is going to be launching. It's just imminently. So if you're interested in the phone, we'd say certainly look at the version with the hybrid zoom. The one without that is probably not going to be as exciting. But if you're really interested in adopting 5G early this year, then you're going to have to wait even longer to know whether you want an Oppo Reno or not. Now the big thing here is the competition between Oppo and OnePlus. They're actually part of the same family, but when you look at the OnePlus 7 Pro, it's very similar to this phone. You need to ask yourself which features you prefer. So if you're looking at the Reno 10x zoom, have a good look at the OnePlus 7 Pro before you buy anything, just in case you find it meets your needs a little bit more. There's also going to be a 5G version of that phone too, so this year there's so many phones and a lot of different choices. Don't rush to make your decision. This is the Oppo Reno 10x zoom. This is going to be coming out in June for £700. There's going to be a full review very, very soon.